Afternoon. Here we have a t7.210 auto command. This is one of the higher tractors, just come back in. This one's for sale. It's on 4,500 hours. It's a bit of a funny spec because he's auto command, but he's only 40k, so it hasn't got air. It's got front and cab suspension, front linkage, boom out hitch. It's got the drawbar and the crook. It's got three spools. One's plumbed up to four actually, but one's plumbed up for the front linkage. The tyres are probably, I don't know, 40%, maybe, yeah, 30 to 40%. They're 665 38s, Michelin's on the back. And then on the front, you've got Michelin's, they're 480 65 28s on the front. So yeah, it's got the front linkage. What else can I tell you? It's been a good tractor. We did do the handbrake cable, the electric handbrake cable and the pads about 6 months ago. The only thing I would say is obviously that you need to respray that. The wheel nut come loose and we had to put a new centre in there. There is a little bit of damage to that. But other than that, it's a straight machine. Front mudguard, I have put a new mudguard on this side, but like the mudguard bearings are tight, the steering's nice and tight. And the air conditioning works. The only thing I have got to do is put a new plastic on there, because when we pulled the floor mat out to clean, it got broken. So, but I keep them in stock, so I've got that. It's got an air seat. I don't know whether it's got heated seat or not. No, it isn't heated. It's got GPS as well, but I've never used it. I don't know whether it works, but you've got the box there and the box on the roof. That will address that. The radio's held in with a bit of something. There's no error codes on the dashboard. Handbrake, it's got an electric handbrake, so we let the handbrake off. So he's come off. It's driving forwards. It's come up with that. I don't know why that is. Cannot create maximum number reached. I think it's because it's got too many programs running. It goes backwards and forwards. What else? I've got it set at 11k actually. But he's not, what's the word? He's not jerky. Which is good. All the spools work. I'm actually freezing. It's been cold in here. I've turned that off. Oh yeah, steering. You can't really see, but the steering's tight. There's not a lot of play in that at all. So this is, as is, 45,000 plus VAT. Through the workshop, warranted and serviced, would be 47.5. I don't know what else I can show you really. The PTO works. Oh, that's one thing we did do actually. We did do the PTO pack. PTO pack, the brake went, and we just stripped it out and did all that. So that's been done. But just bear in mind, it is a 40k one. But yeah, give us a call if you're interested. Cheers.